In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an email template in Klaviyo, plus share some best practices to ensure your emails not only look great, but also perform exceptionally well. Whether you're new to Klaviyo or just looking to optimize your email marketing efforts, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to create a professional template and help you maximize engagement with your audience. First, you'll need to log into your Klaviyo account. Once you're inside, navigate to the side menu and click on Content and then Templates. This is where all the magic of creation begins. If you're planning to start fresh, go ahead and click Create Template. However, if you'd prefer to work off of something existing, feel free to choose from your saved or pre-built templates available. Establishing your base styles is an important next step. These styles include your overall settings, from choosing your fonts, colors, the ideal width of around 600 pixels, to even the background color of your email. Setting these up first will ensure that there's a cohesive look and feel across your entire template. Now comes the time to add your header section. Think of this as the face of your email. This is where you will add your logo, which helps establish brand recognition right at the top. You might also want to include navigation links here like Home, Shop, or FAQ. These links enhance the user experience by guiding your readers to where they might want to go next. Moving on to the body content of your email, this is the section where you get to really engage your audience. Add various sections or layout blocks to organize your content effectively. Whether it's text blocks, images, or buttons, the aim is to be visually appealing while clearly conveying your message. For more dynamic layouts, consider using columns or split blocks to display side-by-side content, making your email both eye-catching and easy to read. When you reach the end of your email, it's crucial to add a footer. This section should include all required information like the unsubscribe link, your company address, and a privacy policy. You might also want to add links to your social media pages here, offering recipients more ways to engage with your brand across platforms. Before you finalize everything, it's important to review your work. Use Klaviyo's preview and test feature to see how your email template will look on both desktop and mobile devices. Sending a test email to yourself or your team is a great way to make sure that all images load correctly, the layout holds up, and links are functional. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks, go ahead and save your template. Give it a recognizable name so you can easily reuse it in future campaigns or flows, streamlining your email marketing process moving forward. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating beautifully designed and highly effective email templates in Klaviyo. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!